Dear viewers, welcome to Bornil Academy. I'm Hasan Mahamud with you. Today, I'd like to talk about common usages of the words can and could. So, let's get started. First of all, we can use these words to talk about ability. The word can is used to talk about ability in the present and future. Like, I can swim, he can run fast, I can go on holiday next summer. First two examples show ability in the present, and the last one shows ability in future. We also can use be able to talk about ability in the present and future. For example, I can swim, you can say I'm able to swim, or I can go on holiday next summer, I will be able to go on holiday next summer. On the other hand, could is used to talk about general ability in the past. General ability means that could be done at any time in the past. Like, in her younger days, she could swim fast. In my childhood, I could run fast. These examples show general ability in the past that could be done at any time in the past. But to talk about ability on one occasion or at a specific time, we cannot use could. We need to use be able to. For example, I was able to find the right one though the room was crowded with books. Here, the example shows a specific ability at a specific time, so that's why we cannot use could here. Though there is no such restriction for negative uses. For instance, you could say, I couldn't go there or I wasn't able to go there. Secondly, we can use these words to ask for permission. For instance, can I go out? Can I use your phone please? Excuse me, could I just say something? Or, could you please allow me to speak? And could is always more polite to ask for permission. Next, suggestion. We usually tend to use the word could to make any suggestion. For example, we could watch this drama on TV tonight. If you like, we could go out for a while. Also, we can use the word can here. For example, someone is sick and you're suggesting him you can see a doctor. We also love to use these words to offer something. For instance, can I get you another drink? We can give you a lift. Or, could I help you anyway? These words are always preferable to make any request, like, can I have 2 coffees please? Or, could I have 2 coffees please? At last, possibility. We usually use can to talk about general possibility. For instance, smoking can cause cancer. Using mobile phones while driving can cause accidents. But for uncertain possibility, we usually use could. For example, he could arrive later. It could rain tomorrow. So, dear viewers, we can use these words can and could to talk about ability, to ask for permission, to give any suggestion, to offer something, to make any request, and finally, to talk about possibility. That's all for today. I hope you will be able to use these words appropriately and win your barriers.